Hey guys, how are you doing? Let's bake tea scones together. I know you love these ones. This is a very simple recipe. So guys, let's get into the video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom,
so these are my ingredients. Everything: 4 cups of flour, sugar, raisins, margarine, 2 eggs, half tablespoon of baking powder, and then salt and warm milk. Let's get into the video.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown, but we both know how to swim, no worries.
So guys, this is the consistency we're looking for, and then after some time I'm going to put my raisins, egg and warm milk. Then after mixing like this, I'm going to add 2 eggs. I'm going to put my egg.
I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Going to bake for 150 degrees for only 15 minutes, and our tea scones will be ready.
You don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown, but we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
So guys, this is the outcome. Ooh, look at this, they look so yummy, and the house smells so.
I know I'm not easy, I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now I have the...
You want to taste it?
It's yummy.
Yeah, they are so yummy. I want you to see my face expression. So soft. You need to try the recipe. So I'm waiting for the other bunch, and then I'm going to show you all of them. So are you going to rate my teaspoons? So you're going to rate it out of 10. Yeah.
9.
9 out of 10. Oh my god, why?
You want a reason? So if it's nice, definitely it's sawa kabisa.
Wewe ni mgumu kwa kumaa. So unanipea hata 10 out of 10. Amenipea 9 out of 10, which is excellent. So guys, I'm going to get out this other bunch. It's so hot. These ones, guys, like it's very hot. You're supposed to wait like for 5 minutes for this one to cool down. I'm going to put them here. So if you want to know if they are ready, you just pierce like this. This is big one. This is so big. Look, they are so ready. And so next time I'm going to make them big, shapeless. Thank you, baby. So guys, this is the outcome. What do you think? I'm going to leave the recipe on the description box. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Look at this. Imeiva ndani vizuri, soft, yummy, tasty.
Unique
so
taste.
Oh yeah. Tuonane next week.
Oh my god! Oh my lord! How excellent! Excellent!
What do you think about this apron here? I got it from Toy Market. Mungaroya Toy Market. But it's very big. Yeah, it's so good for Christmas. So get ready. You'll be seeing me with this one all the time because I only have 3 aprons. And
How excellent is you!
thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.